Next, I come to the question of the Vigilance Commission full stop. Something has been said about the Vigilance Commission also here full stop. It is a good thing that the government should be thinking of eradicating corruption in public life full stop. They have appointed the vigilance commissioners and this is a welcome sign full stop. In the states also similar commissions have been appointed full stop. But I have my doubts regarding the usefulness of these commissions full stop. In the first place, I have objection to the appointment of the chairman of the commission full stop. In our state, one of the retired high court judges has been appointed full stop. He was vice chancellor and he was made to resign and he was appointed the vigilance commissioner in that state full stop. Particularly, I am opposed to the appointment of any retired high court judges because I am of the opinion that high court judges should not be appointed after their retirement full stop. This is another way of corrupting the man full stop. Our high court judges are very good full stop. There may be some exceptions, but so far they have kept up the reputation of the judiciary full stop. But nowadays, since the government is appointing them to such lucrative posts, for instance, as vice chancellors, and as chairman of commissions and so on, there is a tendency to secure some favor or the other from the executive, and this is not a very healthy sign full stop. Therefore, I would not mind if a high court judge who is in regular service is appointed as the chairman of the commission, but in any case, retired high court judges or retired Supreme Court judges should not be appointed to these commissions or for that matter to any of the government posts because that is another way of corrupting them full stop. Then, there are certain people who are appointed or who are associated with the work of this commission and mostly they are from the police department full stop. We all know that what is the reputation of the police department in this country full stop. The police have in our country failed to create any confidence among the public full stop. Whenever any trouble arises, for example, when trouble arose in Jamshedpur and so the police machinery failed and ultimately the army had to be called in full stop. The people have got some faith in the army but they have no faith in the police because the police are not ready to give any help to them on many occasions full stop.